Okay, so I'm pretty excited. My new belt came in, and like most things, I just destroy them and go through them really quickly. So I ordered a real leather belt from MorrisonMade Leather, and now we're gonna open it and see how good it is. Looks like good packaging. This belt's actually made of leather as opposed to the ones you buy at the store that say they're leather but aren't really. This must be his logo. It smells good. Let's check out the buckle. Awesome, it has a real buckle on it. See how it fits. I'm very happy with my purchase. I will say it did take a very long time for it to get here. He is just him and his wife making belts and wallets and other cool things. And after a couple weeks of not receiving it, I emailed him, and I did see on his website when I ordered it that it does take him quite some time because apparently their little side business hustle thing is quite busy, which is great. And I emailed him just to make sure he got my order because it had been a while and I hadn't heard anything from him. And he explained about the delay and everything and asked me if I wanted to cancel my order and get a refund. I said, absolutely not. You know, I'm happy to support another small business owner in the United States making quality products because that's really hard to find these days. Like I said, I just destroy pants and belts and boots in my job, hats, gloves, knives. I was really happy to wait. It's been at least a month, maybe a month and a half, 2 months since I ordered the belt and it finally came in. Been wearing a bungee cord as a belt, which is kind of funny. Everybody laughs at me, but I'm not going to go to Walmart or something and buy another crappy belt because they last like a couple months and then they get destroyed. So we'll see how this one holds up, but judging by the feel and the quality that I can see in it, I doubt I'll need to buy another belt anytime soon. So anyway, I'm really happy with my purchase, and I'll leave a link to his website in the description.